Did you guys know that Malaysia is the only country in the world, together with Japan, that officially received the Honda Civic FD2 Type R when it was launched in 2007? Well, now you know, and it was the first time that true JDM car was launched outside of Japan. Okay, I need you guys to help me by clicking the subscribe button below and comment hashtag THG giveaway to join our lucky draw contest. Samsung Watch 4 awaits for the lucky winner, and also please share this news to your friends and families as well. Civic FD2 Type R is unique because it was the first time that Type R model that come up in a 4-door sedan form, and it does have the forgotten long-lost sibling, which is known as Honda Civic FN2 Type R, that come with a hatchback design but with lower power output and made in Sweden factory in UK. We'll cover that model in our future video, hopefully. Overall dimension for the Honda Civic is actually quite similar with the latest generation Honda City, of course with some plus minus in certain area. This particular model are powered by the famous K20A VTEC engine, which produced 221 horsepower with 215 Nm of torque. Quite powerful for any engine at that time. Its sibling FN2R was quite unfortunate to receive the K20Z VTEC, which produced only 198 horsepower with 193 Nm of torque. Why unfortunate? Because FN2R, even though it's having a smaller footprint, but it is much more heavier. The iVTEC mechanism in this engine will activate at 5,800 rpm and it is limited at 8,600 rpm. And according to Honda, you can extract all 221 horsepower if you are using RON 100 fuel. On the handling side, FD2R are equipped with 18-inch alloy wheel with 225/40 tires. And for the first time ever, brand new brakes are equipped on Type R model to give a confident braking power. Honda claims that the chassis for the FD2R is 50% more stronger than the Integra DC5, and it is quite normal for a newer Type R to have a much more rigid chassis compared to the previous model. Inside, the FD2R received Honda's own red bucket seat with red and black color theme, and the rear seat also received the similar treatment as the front. On the first glance, all Honda car user will be familiar with the steering wheel, as it is being used for various models like in the GM2 Honda City, and it is still being used today in Honda BR-V. No pedal shifter here, obviously, as all Honda Civic Type R are manually driven. The dashboard design is quite futuristic at that time, with the double-decker design, with the LCD speedometer is placed on top of the analog rev meter. Now, let's go for a short drive. Hello and good day everybody, I'm Ik from the Honda Guys. I would like to announce to all of you that we just reached 500 subscribers on our YouTube channel, and we will be giving away this Samsung Watch 4 only when we reach 1000 subscribers. To join this giveaway contest, first you need to subscribe to our channel, and second, comment THG giveaway on our upcoming video, and third, share this video to your friends and families. So what are you guys waiting for? Do it now. To start the engine, first you need to press the clutch pedal and press the red start stop button. Report said that only 13,000 units of FD2R being made, and I don't have the figure of how much FD2R that made its way to Malaysia, but as we can tell, we have the most FD2R and Mugen RR on our road than anywhere else. What? What the f? It was sold for 199,000 ringgit, which is quite reasonable for a performance model back then. And it is sold for average 150 to 160,000 ringgit now. 30,000 ringgit depreciation is not that bad, I guess. Kalau ada, simpan. Who knows if the price is gonna climb up again. The FD2R uses the MacPherson strut for front suspension and double wishbone for the rear setup. The system might look the same as the standard FD 2.0, but there is a lot of difference that has been made on the Type R model. The damping rate for the front suspension is 1.25 times higher
and 10mm lower as well than the standard Honda Civic. While the rear suspension, it is 1.6 times higher for its damping rate and 5mm lower than the standard Honda Civic. And the stabilizer bar that are fitted in this FD2R are much more stiffer and thicker as well. And this VTEC Raw, it is the last NA VTEC Raw that we're gonna hear from the Type R model, as the next model, the FK2R, is using an engine with the forced induction. It is more than 10 years that this model has been on our road, and because of its evergreen design, I still love to turn my head around whenever I see any FD2. I still have another FD2R to review, and that model have a lot of goodies being installed inside the engine. If anything goes well, I'll review the car in our future video. Do remember to support us by reaching 1000 subscribers, another 250 more to achieve that numbers, and do comment hashtag THG giveaway to join our lucky draw contest and win the Samsung Watch 4. Ending this video, I'm Ig, the Honda guys. We are all about Honda. See you guys next time.